Yo, what's up everybody? This video is on PNC Bank's mobile banking app and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your PNC Bank's mobile banking app's account. So follow the step for that, and if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on to get notified for our future videos like this. Let's move on. So PNC is basically a mobile banking app, so it falls under the finance sector, so you can easily download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you download it, you can click on to open it. Once it opens up, it's going to open up just like this. Now if it is your first time opening the app, it might take a bit of time to open it. So once it's open, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here you can enter a user ID. After you enter your user ID, you can enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you can click on sign in, and if the user ID and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your PNC Bank's mobile banking account. And if you for some reason forgot the password, you can always click on reset password to recover your password as well. And if you want PNC mobile banking app to remember your user ID, you can just turn on this setting and it will remember your user ID. And if you want to enroll in like PNC Bank's mobile banking account, you can click on enroll. And it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you need to enter your social security number over here and your debit pin or like your online access pin over here and your account number. Click and continue. And the account number which you entered over here is going to be registered for PNC Bank's mobile banking app. All right. And you should be able to create yourself an account. If you want to ask for help, go on help. If you want to see PNC Bank's location, go on location. If you want to go to the official website of PNC Bank, you want to click on pnc.com. That's basically how you guys can use this app. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, want to step. I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. Bye bye.